Hi, welcome back. This is Jill here, and we're going to talk today about the Build Your Business coaching program that we're developing. What we're going to be offering is a Zoom group coaching call on the second Tuesday of each month, where we'll go over how to create and grow a six-figure income online by access to the training center, where we'll cover building a website and/or a shop, creating a complete sales funnel, setting up an opt-in page or a landing page or a squeeze page, just some method of being able to get people on your list, because it's easier to talk to people if you've got them in an email system. And we'll go over setting up a autoresponder and making opt-in forms and how to actually formulate the follow-up series that you'll be using for your emails, and also different strategies for driving traffic to your offers. We'll also have a private Facebook group for questions and support. Who is this for? This coaching is really for anyone who wants to build an online business but doesn't really have all the pieces figured out or how to put them all together. If you have an idea but are a little fuzzy on how to implement it, we can show you how step by step. Each 1-hour session will include homework. In fact, you'll be given homework before the session starts. You do need to have some familiarity with creating websites or shops. Maybe you're an Etsy seller or you have a Shopify shop, but you really don't have a cohesive sales funnel. A lot of people get started online and they don't really know where they're going. They haven't set up a real clear roadmap to achieving what they want to achieve, nor have they actually even articulated what it is they're trying to accomplish. So the main goal of this coaching program is to help you map out a plan to get where you want to go and to determine where you want to go before you even start mapping out the plan. I know it sounds a little convoluted, but so many people just get online and decide, I'm going to make money online, but they never really think about where they want to go in terms of how do they want to make money online? How are they going to provide value in the marketplace? And does anybody really want what they think they're going to offer? I'll show you how to figure out what is actually selling and how to find buyers for the thing that you're trying to offer. The bad news is, if you're technologically challenged, this coaching program is not for you. It's for people who already have an idea about all of the bits and pieces that go into starting a business online, and maybe you've put up a blog or put up an Etsy shop. You're just not, or maybe you even have been in MLM or something, and you kind of have an idea about how to get sales, but you're really not sure where you want to go as a cohesive business model. So the good news is you can schedule a personal call with me and we'll explore the fit. We'll chat about what you're currently doing, the results you're getting, and we'll discuss what you hope to achieve. This is so we can see if what we offer can really help you get where you're trying to go, and maybe cover a little bit or get a little bit more clarity on where it is that you're wanting to take your business. If we feel like we can help you, we'll go over how that works at the end of the call. To schedule your call today, click the link below.